Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to connect and set up your JBL 520BT using the JBL headphones application. So, as our first step, grab your phone, open up your App Store or Google Play and install the JBL headphones application. Open it up. Now grab your headphones, find this button here and give it a hold somewhere around for 3 seconds. Now, as you may heard, there's gonna be a voice signal and it will start flashing blue. It means your headphones are on. Now turn on your Bluetooth and pair with your headphones. As you see, we are paired now. So open up your application. And now your application will automatically detect your headphones. Just give it a few seconds. So let's click here. It's already connected. So now, after we connected, we can see a list of settings here. So we can adjust our equalizer to choose presets for sound, or you can create your own one. Voice aware feature, you can turn it on and off. Your smart video switch, which will help you to switch from audio mode to video mode. Left right sound balance, voice prompts, max volume limiter, which protects your hearing with a volume limit. Auto power off. And also, if you click on the support button here, you can check your serial number, you can check any updates available, and of course you can reset your headphones to the factory settings. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.